What's up, everybody? Today we're going to review the Curt Foldable Basket Style Cargo Carrier for your 2-inch receiver. Let's go ahead and take a look. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We're going to go ahead and begin with affixing our 2 platforms to our mounting shank. We need to make sure these 2 holes are forward on the vehicle, and we're going to mount to these 2 holes right here. You can now flip the platforms up on their side and align to the mounting holes on the shank. Be sure and align the 2 tabs on the rails. We can now affix the platforms and the shank with the M12 hardware. Remove the nut and the washer. Now place the flat washer and nylock nut back on the bolt. Do not use tools to tighten any hardware until everything has been placed and hand tightened. We will come back with tools later on. You can now install your connecting plates using the provided M10 hardware. Insert your 4 M10 bolts and then replace the flat washers and nylock nuts. You can now insert the folding shank onto the main shank and then insert your M16 bolt through the rearmost hole. Make sure that your flanges point down on the cargo carrier. We're going to go ahead and fold the shank into the stored position to finish assembly. Insert your pin and clip. We can now install the second connecting plate. Now install the flat washers and nylock nuts. We can now tighten and torque all the hardware, beginning with the M12 bolts in the mounting shank. We will use 2 19mm tools. Now tighten and torque the M16 bolt in the folding shank using 2 24mm tools. We're now ready to mount our cargo carrier to the hitch. This cargo carrier did not come with a receiver pin, so we would suggest the Warrior locking pin that you can pick up at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center, or you can order one through the link in the description below. You can now fold your cargo carrier down into the use position and load it with your cargo. Remove the clip from the pin, lower it into place, and reaffix the pin and clip into the new position. After you've loaded your cargo carrier, you may discover that you cannot see your license plate or your turn signals. U-Haul has you covered with auxiliary indicator lights and an illuminated license plate holder. If you do not have one of these, you can purchase one from your nearest local U-Haul hitch center, or you can order one from the link in the description below. That concludes our review of the Curt Foldable Basket Style Cargo Carrier. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see you on the trails. This cargo carrier is a basket style foldable shank for 2-inch receivers only, and it has a max capacity of 500 pounds. If you have any questions about this cargo carrier, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your nearest U-Haul hitch center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.